Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you the ultimate Italian classic, which is a Venetian Spritz. And for this we teamed up with no other than the OG Select. So for this, over to you, Kay.
Hi guys, it's Kay. I'm back here at TT Liquor, showing you how to make another cocktail. We are going to be making the original Venetian Spritz. So I've got a wine glass here, and the first thing going into my wine glass is going to be the essential ingredient of a Venetian Spritz, which is this Select Aperitivo. So now we want 2 parts or 2 shots, 50 mils of our Select Aperitivo. Right, next thing going in here, very importantly, to make this a Spritz is going to be some Prosecco. Now we want 3 parts Prosecco. So that's 50 mils or 2 parts, and then we want a third one. There we go. So we've got 50 mils of our Select, and we've got 75 mils of our Prosecco. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill this wine glass with cubed ice. So I've got a bottle of soda water here, just crack that open. And we're just going to add a splash of soda water to the top of our drink. There we go. I'll give that a little stir. Top it with just a bit more ice. And then, very importantly, to finish our original Venetian Spritz, we're going to garnish it with an olive. And I'm just going to spear one of those and pop that in the top of our drink. And that is our Venetian Spritz ready to drink.